Hi students, welcome you to my channel EduLine Education. Students, today I will explain you about conjunctions. So first you should know what is conjunction. So in grammar, conjunction is a word that connects word, clauses and phrases, and that are also called the conjuncts of the conjunctions. And the question is that why do you use conjunction in a sentence, or what will happen, or what will be the problem if you will not use the conjunction in a sentence? And answer is that without conjunction you would be forced to express every complex sentence in a series of short and simplistic sentences. Let me give you examples, then you will clear about the use of conjunctions. If I will take the sentence that I like to cook, or I like cooking, and second sentence I like reading, and third sentence I don't like washing dishes. Here I have three sentences, and if I will not use any conjunctions, these are like short sentences or very short sentences, that I like cooking, I like reading, I don't like washing dishes. And see what will happen if I use any conjunction here. It will be I like cooking and reading, but I don't like washing dishes. Here you will get a beautiful complex sentence by using these conjunctions but. Is that clear? See, conjunctions will make easy to put your sentences without making it in short forms. So students, there are different kinds of conjunctions in English grammar, and they are coordinating conjunction, correlative conjunction and subordinating conjunctions. First, I will discuss you about coordinating conjunctions. Coordinating conjunctions. And what is coordinating conjunctions? Coordinating conjunctions allow you to connect the words, phrases and clauses of equal grammatical ranks in a sentence, and they are for, but, nor, and, yet, so, etc. Then come to next kind of conjunctions, and that is correlative conjunction. That is correlative conjunction. And correlative conjunctions are pairs of conjunctions that work together. For example, both and, either or, then neither nor, next one is not only but also, not only but also, then whether or, these are called correlative conjunctions. Then come to the next kind of conjunctions, and this is subordinating conjunctions. Then next kind of conjunctions is subordinating conjunctions. It joins the independent and dependent clauses. For example, subordinating conjunctions are after, as if, as long as soon as much as, by the time, till, until, in order that, whereas, when as, unless, while, etc. So students, here I have some examples of different kinds of conjunctions. Like such type of videos, keep watching my upcoming videos, and if you are new in my channel, like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.